potentials, CW12. I'm just going to be going over last week price action and how we delivered. First of all, I wanted to see price take out these highs as immediately we cleared, we inversed the weekly fair value gap we had here. I utilized that level as an area of support to see higher prices to those highs, which is what we have here. This was my expectation from this. We had a beautiful expansion towards the highs. Although execution wise on Wednesday I couldn't execute because I had lots of personal drama to handle, but I'm glad we had the expectation play out perfectly well. So on the weekly time frame, I'm still expecting a run on these highs, although we just cleared out the range high of this range. We took out the high and the low, so we're expecting some sort of shocks before we got another run on liquidity of either buy side or sell side. First off, we have this weekly fair value gap we could work with for we could utilize for higher prices. Should we see some sort of retracement back into this range? I will utilizing this for a run higher. So if we should head down to the daily. On the daily, we have a few levels we can work with. We have our two daily imbalance. We have one here, and we have another here. So these are the two levels I'll be looking to see price retrace into for potential run higher again on the daily. For the 4 hours, currently we're trading inside the daily 4 hours imbalance, and we're reacting off of that nicely to see higher prices. So this is my target, the 100.540 level is where I want to see price clear out before seeing any sort of shock, and that's the previous weekly high as well. So if we should go down to the 1 hour now, on the 1 hour, this is what we have it. We have price trading into the 1 hour imbalance and we reacted off that really nicely. A closure like this will be beautiful, supporting higher prices as we will be inversing this bearish imbalance for higher prices. So currently I just want to see price explode higher, should close the gap and clear this high out on the XY. With me being bullish on the XY, meaning I'll be bearish on currency pairs, EU and GU. I already have that marked out with my target as well. If we should take out this low, let me just go back to the weekly and give a detailed breakdown rather than just continue. On the weekly, I want to see price. Last week I wanted to see price clearing out this low. Having G take out this weekly low. We had a beautiful expansion, failing to trade back into the inverse fair value gap, the weekly inverse fair value gap. We traded into the daily fair value gap I highlighted there. As you can see, we traded into it, failing to fill this, leaving this as a breakaway gap, and expanded aggressively towards the lows I highlighted. We took out the first low, which is this, the 5th of November low, and final targets are the low of August, I think. So with that being said, on the weekly, if I should go back to the weekly now, we have this weekly bullish fair value gap we inversed last week. We already see this wicked rejection from it for the CW10, and we had CW11 closing out that distance. Right now I'm going to be utilizing that level for lower prices. I want to see the 1.31797 level being taken out, and I want to see the 1.13917 level being taken out on EU. If I should go down to the 4 hours, we currently traded into the other block and we're expanded aggressively lower from that, which is totally fine. And G, we have the same thing, but the momentum isn't giving us. It looks like we won't be taking out the previous day low here. But if we do, I want to see the 1.321 level taken out for total read and price clearing out the previous weekly low on G as well. If we should have some sort of SMT at this low end and expansion, I'll be looking at price willingness to go higher. I don't know if you understand me. Yeah, following properly. I will be looking at this for price to want to make a run higher back into the range for GU, where my focus will be on GU. But we're currently reacting to price. The focus is seeing lower prices. A closure below this daily, below this 1 hour imbalance will confirm for the run of the previous weekly low on GU as well. On EU, I don't need to say anything as we already having that. The 1.14110 level should be cleared in a minute now. And we still have the open imbalance here for another run on shorts again. If we should be having a move higher. If we're taking out the high of Isha, I want to see price trade into this 1 hour fair value gap for a potential move lower again. So my focus will be this, something like this, to see this happen. That's all for the majors. On gold, I already have this level highlighted. We invest the daily fair value gap here. Sure, let me stretch that out a bit. Yeah, we closed out the daily fair value gap just by a few pips. So I want to see lower prices from here, clear out the 4841 level and the 71.977 level on silver. For BTC, going over this again, we're still within the range of last month, where I want to see Ethereum clearing out the high and BTC failing to do so. For that, my focus will be on Bitcoin, with aggressively looking for sales, clearing out the 59, I think, 59.927 low, and probably taking out this low as well, which I doubt, but that's my expectation for Bitcoin. With that being said, I think that's everything for the distance. Do well to follow the Discord for daily updates, and in regards to our news, we have on Monday, which is today, on an orange folder news, no much volatility injection by New York 8:30 a.m. We still have on Tuesday a New York session, so the focus is on Monday. The focus is on the second half of the week, where I want to focus on New York for Wednesday and on New York and both London and New York for Thursday. I won't be doing any trading myself on Friday, and that will be all for the week. Do have a nice trading week yourself, and do also follow the Discord for constant updates on what I'm expecting and where I want to see price ahead to. Thank you.